Pradeep here, and today we are going to play some more Minecraft. So guys, in the last video we built a house. It's a small one, but now in this video we will go mining, and in the next video I think I will make the house bigger. So let's enter the Supreme World. As you can see here, there is my Supreme World, and let's go. It's starting. Till that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notification and like this video. So it's starting. It's starting in some time. Make sure check out my other videos uploaded recently. So let's start the game. In the last video we were just started mining, but in this video we will mine till we get some iron, coal and all that stuff. So let's wait till it starts, and we are here. So as you can see, we were here mining for some time. So let's mine more quickly. I am mining. Okay, so you can see I need cobblestone, and we will go down, but there will be so much dark, so I will require coal. I think I should get coal here, please. Oh no, it's so dark here. Ready? It's already dark. I can hear zombies' voices right now. So let's make some stone tools and head towards mining again. Okay, so let's take the wood, put the dirt back in. Okay, so let's quickly make some stone tools quickly. So we need to make sticks, and let's make a sword for safety, a pickaxe for mining iron and all that stuff. Make some more sticks, make an axe so we can cut wood, and make a shovel. So we have used lot of our cobblestone. Let's clear our inventory and put it in the chest. Let's go mining. We will make this house bigger. This is a very small house, so let's quickly go mining. We will just collect stone. Is there a mine here somewhere, so I could go in there, and if I find coal, that will be good. So let's kill some cows, because we do not have food at all. So for now we will kill cows. Then we will build farm, and no need to kill animals that time. So we are going to kill sheep. We will require them for their wool and make beds. So quickly kill. There is one sheep only. Let's kill this one quickly. Why is it? Oh, there are two. Good. There are two sheep. Let's. Oops. Done. Now it's night time. Oh no! And I do not have a bed. Shit. Need to find a sheep, or else it would be very bad. Zombies can kill me, and we need to stay in the house for the whole night. So I think, please sheep, somewhere. No, we need to stay like this only in the house. Oh my god, it will take a lot of time. Okay, let's enter our house. There is no torch also. The zombies can spawn inside. Oh my god. So guys, you can see that we are ready. It's morning. Let's throw this all food in here, so we do not lose it if we die quickly. Okay. So we need to go quick and get some coal, because that is required the most for the torches. Let's see if we have any caves here somewhere. Oh no, creeper. Oh man, kill. Oh no, don't. I just got damaged by a creeper. A full 1 heart. Can I find a sheep, please? Oh, sheep! Run! We need to kill it for its wolves. Wow. Come on. There are two. We will just kill one for the wolf, so we can quickly skip the night. We'll sleep at night. Okay. We have killed 3 sheep and we have 3 wolves. So quickly go home and make bed. Let's kill some more animals for food. So I will kill this pig. And let's kill some cows also, so we get appropriate food as much needed. So quickly, see, you can see that I have killed lots of animals. So let's head back towards the house and store everything quickly. And bones, okay, that would be helpful for a farm. Means we can use it for growing the crops quickly. And now I am going to just store all this quickly in this bag, and we are done. Now we need to actually go mining. I am finding a cave here. There is no cave anywhere around, so it is going to be a tough time finding a cave. Okay, so where can be the cave? Oh, there are icebergs. Do icebergs have loot? So let's go to iceberg and check. I've never went to any iceberg or anything, so I don't know. Is there I think igloos have loot in it, so let's go and see now. If there is, it will be good. If not, then no, we cannot do anything, right? So quickly let's see if there is a loot, or I don't think so there will be. But let's check if there is a really igloo. Yes, that seems like an igloo. Let's see. If it is, it's gonna be good. Oh my god. No, nothing is igloo here. Let's go back. This was wait. Oh, there are cords here, so I can kill them. Okay, we can get cord also here. So we need to find cave. So quickly let's go and find some caves. Yes. Okay, my house is there. No, here only. It's here. So we need to find a cave. I need coal. Come on, give me coal. Give me a cave, yeah. Give me a cave. Or give me some coal. Come on. I need coal. Is there any cave here? No cave anywhere near. Oh my god. We need to go so far long to find a cave. That would be such a tough time. Oh, there is a lava pool. No, there is no lava pool. There were poppies, not lava pool. Okay. But there is no cave any by near. Wow. Can I get a cave, please? Is this a cave? No. This is also not a cave. Okay. There are no caves around. Oh my god. So how do I get coal now? How do I get coal? Okay. Let's do strip mining. Where were we mining? There only I will mine. See if we get some coal. That would be nice. Okay. This is so annoying. Can I get some? Oh, I have an idea. I can just cut logs and smelt them in furnace. Oh yes, that's the best idea. I am going to do that. I am doing it. Yes, that's good. That's good idea. That's totally good idea. Means I can just take stone, make a furnace, smelt oak log and make coal and get torches, and when we get torches, that will be good. Oh my god, no. This is so bad. Okay, now let's go home. I got 5. Actually, home also I have 5, so there is no problem of that. So let's take the stone from here, put the
we'll go furnace and go cut some wood. So this furnace is placed. So we need to cut wood, direct wood, because if we making plans, they will be helpful for only smelting. They will not be helpful for making charcoal and making artificial charcoal, so I can mine quickly. So thank you guys for watching. This is the first part of mining session. Second part will come soon. Bye bye, take care and thank you. Bye.